Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to step by step apply e-medical attendant visa for India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are becoming very much popular nowadays. And when a country like India is offering e-visas and you are eligible, because this is not open to all nationalities, but to most of the nationalities. So there's a high chance you fall under this 165 eligible countries. So you have an option to travel India as an e-medical attendant visa, provided you are entering as an attendant who has e-medical visa and going for the medical treatment. Okay, so you got it. These two are related. How? All right. So click here, apply here for a visa. So the process is same like other e-visas. Like you fill the application, you upload your document, passport and photo. And if granted, after you pay the fee, you get an ETA that you can print and carry along with you. You can show it to the airline while boarding a flight to India. And once you reach at the port of entry, you will see here port of arrival. These are the port of arrivals in India. Most of them are already covered where you can have your e-visa processed. So I have done it at New Delhi airport and it's a very popular arrival port. So there you can get it processed. And if you go to the nationality, so you have to be one of these nationalities in order to be eligible to apply. And here you have like e-medical attendant visa. See the purpose to accompany patient traveling to India on e-medical visa. As I told you, this is how they are related. So I'm going to put a sample date. Oh, this is too early. Which one? 85. Not bad. Okay. Date of arrival, I can put, and it will only show you the eligible date. See, it has fallen to April because after this date you are not allowed, because I think up to 4 months in advance you can apply and travel. Let's see. Okay. These are the documents you need and also specifications. Okay. Now surname. So I'm just going to put some sample. And you see, whichever case I type, it is getting converted to capital. Have you ever changed your name? I said, if you click on this, you need to provide the details. If not, go ahead. Date of birth picked up from the previous date. Date of the city of birth. Just sample, guys. Citizenship, national ID number. I just with this, but in Canada we do have a lot of identification, so that's fine. Visible religion. You have others also, don't worry. Visible identification. I just say one mole on hand. Of course, I don't have any mole on hand, so don't try to find me with this. Educational qualification, I select graduate. Did you acquire nationality by birth or by natural? I select by birth. Have you lived at least 2 countries, at least 2 years in the country where you're applying? Yes. You need to answer as per passport. Okay. Place of issue, I select Toronto. These details should match your passport. Okay, guys. So be careful with that. Typical passport valid for 10 years. Have you any other valid passport held? Well, Canada does allow dual nationalship, citizenship. So if you have a dual passport, when your nationality is Canada, it's not going to be a surprise. Save and continue. Okay, more details. Address, house number, street. One Getting down. Oh no. Answer as per your case, guys. Just don't go with what I say. Phone number, mobile number, not mandatory, so I will not, but you should definitely it. Click here for same address if permanent and present both same. Now they have asked for family details, mother, family details as well, mother, father details, so family detail, father detail. I'll say Peter Smith, nationality, nationality, previous is not important, place of birth. Wow, Toronto. Oh. Mother name, what should I put? Elena Smith. Okay, nationality, Canada, previous nationality, not apply place of birth. Toronto, country, region of birth. Marital status. I select single, but whatever you have, the information. If you where your parents, grandparents, Pakistan national belong to Pakistan held areas. If yes, then provide details. So I should make it no. Okay. Present occupation. What are the options I have? Engineer. I just put Toronto engineering works. Designation not mandatory, so I won't put two. But you should provide, in my opinion, provide all the information, even if it's not mandatory. It's good, right? This is my personal opinion, but it's up to you which you want to provide or not. To Torontonian, Torontonia Street, Toronto, Ontario. Past occupation, if any. Are you were you in military, civil, police, security organization? I select no. Whatever is applicable in your case. Please provide at least one contact number. Yeah, that's important. 70. This is not my number and this is sample number. Okay, guys. I think type of visa, e-visa, e-tourist visa. Places. If you intend to visit protected, restricted cantonment area, you could require prior permission. Okay, yeah, there are certain. So I'll just say New Delhi. Second, Mumbai. Have you booked any hotel, resort, or tour operator? No. Expected po exit. Uh, Delhi airport. Whatever that. Previously held, currently held by. Have you ever visited India before? Yes. I select no. I mean, if you have, definitely put yes and provide the information. Has permission to visit or extend stay in previously refused? Countries visited in last 10 years. I'll just put United States of America. This is a sample application, guys, so that's why a lot of fields I selected no. But if you have yes for them, definitely. Have you visited SAR countries except your own in during past 3 years? I select no. Reference. Okay. I'll just put name in India. What name I should pick up? Peter, John, I pick up. Thomas Smith. Okay. Thomas Smith. Address 1 New Delhi Street, Delhi, Delhi. Eh, Reference name in Canada. Wow. Uh, Thomas, John, Peter. I selected. Who should be? Alex Smith. Is this okay? Sample address, guys. Don't go after it. On. Oh wow. Have you ever arrested by any law of any country? Have you ever been refused and deported by any country? including India? Have you ever been engaged in human trafficking drugs? I select no, but if anything applies to you, select yes and provide details because Indians are very careful in these questions. And even if you say no and you have yes, they are going to find it out. Okay, they are very careful. Okay, I won't go from here because in next stage it's going to ask me to upload the documents that I don't want to do and I don't want to create a random sample case. Okay, and pay the fee. So I hope you got the idea. I hope you're gonna like this video. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.